trouble at the C2 Center in Bonnyville as an unidentified couple pulls off a peculiar heist. We have Anna Fender on the scene.
That's right, Ken. We're on scene where a nice day at the market turned sour for one vendor.
He came to my table. He was looking at the rocks, and that's when I saw her. She was beautiful. Until I got a look at her face, and then all I heard was UNGA BUNGA, and he hit me with some kind of stick.
After the alleged assault, the vendor made a horrifying discovery.
He took my shiny rock.
Now, authorities have released footage of the couple and are warning the public to avoid contact with them as they may be armed with a clubby stick or even worse, a pointy stick. Back to you, Ken.
Just shocking. We here at HKO News have opened up our tip line, and with your help, this suspect will have UNGA'd his last bunga. Coming up next, how much cornstarch does your cat really need? The answer may surprise you.